Hey guys, just want to do a really quick video before I ship this one out to its new owner, which is Felix from the company Something Obscene. It's a knife company in the States, and we've basically incorporated his logo into this double finger ring. So, how do we make the double finger ring? Well, it all starts off with a green wax like this. Doing the double finger ring, what I do is add another one onto the side. This design we made in 5 separate pieces and then cast those individual pieces separately, and then we made the molds from there. The reason why we did this was to get the most detail from each mold. After the molds are made, then it goes to wax injecting, where we will end up with 5 individual pink waxes, and then those pink waxes are then assembled. Then we'll size the ring to the client's size, and then it goes off to cast in sterling silver. So that is how the double finger ring is made. So, if you're interested in really well-made knives, please check out Felix's Instagram page, which is Something Obscene. And if you're interested in any of the jewelry that he's probably going to be putting online, he'll obviously post that on his page as well. So, or check out his website, Something Obscene. And I hope you enjoyed this quick video. Thanks for watching.